I know what you're thinking, but hear me out. In the last 1.5 years, we have been all working from home, right? And I'm pretty sure by now you have some sort of work from home setup for yourself. I personally love to have a separate desk and space where I can work, edit my YouTube videos, or just lie down sometimes like this. But recently, BenQ reached out to me and asked if I wanted to use one of their monitor lamps. Wait, what is a monitor lamp? Now this is BenQ Screenbar Plus, one of their monitor lamps, and I know you might not be aware about what exactly are monitor lamps. I was there exactly 2 weeks ago, but this is something I never thought I wanted. Also, this video is sponsored by BenQ. Okay, a screen bar or a monitor lamp is basically a desk lamp that clamps on your monitor like this, and then from there it illuminates your entire desk. Now the model I have here can illuminate up to 500 lux of luminance, which I think is a lot. And I've been using this monitor lamp for a couple of weeks now, and there are mainly three problems that BenQ is trying to solve here. First, reduce your eye strain. Second, clean the clutter on your desk. And third, you don't need a dedicated plug for this. Let me break that down. So we all spend about 6 hours in front of the screens, even more on some days. And while the blue light filters on this monitor definitely help reduce your eye strain, it can be still very damaging to your eyes. It gets even worse for someone like me who actually prefers working on these screens while all the ambient lights are turned off. I mean, there have been literally days when I just finished off editing a video and I had this weird headache just around my eyes. Now, BenQ claims that if you have your desk well lit up, it will definitely help you reduce your eye strain. And I know what you're wondering right now. Nirupam, why not just get a regular desk lamp? Why to get this weird looking screen bar or monitor lamp or whatever this is called? Well, there are two problems with a desk lamp. First, not everyone has that kind of space on their desk that they can also accommodate a desk lamp. And two, if you're using your monitor while the desk lamp is throwing all that light on your desk, the chances are that the desk lamp will create a lot of glare or reflection onto the monitor screen. And that will in turn defeats the purpose of reducing the eye strain because that will actually increase it. Now this is where these screen bars or monitor lamps come into the picture. First, they will take absolutely no space on your desk because you can literally clamp them on your monitor. And second, because they're angled in such a way, they will produce zero to no glare on your monitor screen. So now when I'm watching movies while I'm eating, I can also see what I'm eating. Acha, aaj karele bane the. And you know what's my favorite part about this monitor lamp? Is that you can literally power this through a USB-A port. Heck, you can literally power this with a power bank. Now, thankfully, I had a bunch of free USB-A ports on my monitor, so I didn't have to do that. But it's so good to know that you can literally power this thing through a USB port, which is super convenient. Now, setting up this lamp is also super simple. You first attach the light bar to the clamp and just make the clamp and the light bar sit on your monitor like this. Now, because the clamp has a weight to it, the lamp is not very clumsy and it will also work if you have different sizes of monitor. Although if you are planning to buy this for a curved monitor, I would actually recommend you checking out the dimensions first and then purchase one for yourself. Now the variant I have here also comes with a small dial which will help you adjust the brightness and also change the color temperature from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. And I'm not sure about you, but I am really into these dials. I think it's far more intuitive than any of those touch controls or buttons, and I absolutely loved controlling the brightness and the color temperature through this dial. Now there are two buttons on this dial. On the right side you'll see a physical button that will change the modes from brightness to color temperature, and on the left side you actually have a auto dimming button. So yes, this lamp can actually sense the ambient lighting around you and then adjust the brightness accordingly. And this dial is also a button, so if you press the dial, that will power on and off the lamp. And also at the bottom of this dial you can also see see quite a bit of rubber padding, so this will not slip from your workstation and also will stay clutched in even if there is an earthquake. What just happened? Okay, so if you want to grab one of these, you'll have to shell out some money. So the one with this dial comes in at rupees 13,000, and there's also a variant without this dial, but that comes with some touch controls on the bar itself. For that, you'll have to spend somewhere around 10,000 rupees. And I agree, this is definitely on the expensive side, but I really love the idea here. And with the time I've been using this lamp, it has definitely helped me reduce some of that eye strain. And if you are actually looking for something like this and you don't want to compromise on the quality, I think this one is probably you should go for, because right from the unboxing experience, as you saw from the actual quality of the product, BenQ has done a really good job here. Yes, if you want to buy one of these, I'll leave the links to both the variants in the description box below, and yes, those will be my affiliate links. So if you buy these through those links, I'll get some small commission that will help me support this channel for future videos as well. And yes, this was it for this video, guys. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you think of these monitor lamps or screen bars in general, and if you see yourself as well buying one of these for your workstations. Yes, if you want to watch more such videos in future as well, I will really appreciate if you subscribe to TQnet and especially hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload such videos in future as well. And you know the drill, keep asking, and I will see you in the next one.